Do you want to play faster? Do you want to have better singles? This is the video for you. Hey campers, Nick Blackwood here. This is the first Let's Play video. I'm really excited about this series because this is going to take us through a bunch of tempos, a ton of different exercises, and each one is going to focus on one particular skill. In this one, we're going to build up our single strokes. Before we get started, like and subscribe. Make sure you're checking in every week. This is a 10-minute exercise, and each piece will be done for 1 minute. So let's take a look at our workout. Straights on the right, straights on the left, skips on the right, skips on the left, single 16s alternating, unison skips, both hands, metric mods on the right, metric mods on the left, metric mods alternating, blast alternating. I've got my metronome at 110 BPM. I've got my stop clock ready. We're starting with singles in the right hand and then singles in the left hand. 1 minute for each. Stop clock starting. Here we go. 2, ready, and. Now as you're playing these singles, really focus on your grip. Are you clenching? Are you loose? Which fingers are grabbing the hardest? Are you using your wrist or are you doing all fingers? You'll have a better sound if you're using a combination of everything. Try grabbing a little harder with your front 2 fingers. Try the back 2 fingers. Change your grip a little bit. Using different muscle groups. Spread your fingers a little wider and grab with equal pressure. Switch to the left hand, ready, and. Your right hand should feel nice and warm. Focus on the same thing. Spread your fingers apart, equal grip. Grab with the front 2 fingers. Grab with the back 2 fingers. Those back 2 fingers is really weird, but it strengthens your pinky and your ring, their ability to control the stick. Equal pressure, all of your fingers working together. About 15 more seconds. My left hand is feeling warm. This feels good. Nice job. Whoo! Let's get nice and warm. Nice job on those singles. Next are the skips on the right and skips on the left. This is in triplet form. You're going to play 2 strokes in 1 motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the beat is that first partial. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can put your metronome on triplet. Let's do that now. I've got the triplet setting up. 110 again. 1 minute. Starting with your right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. This is a great exercise for building up your diddles as well. You're not aiming for perfection here. We're just warming up those singles using our skip motions. It should feel a little bit different. It might be jarring to go from straight 8th notes to the skip, which in itself is a great exercise. We got about 20 seconds left. Make sure you've got a smooth, fluid motion with your hand. Use your fingers on that second stroke. 1, 2, ready, switch. Woo! Left hand. Where are you coming from? Smoothing it out. Everybody's got a weak hand. Mine is definitely my left. I'll have a whole new series just talking about the weak hand as well. Keep it up, guys. It's really tough to talk and play these skips at the same time. Somebody's got to do it though. Woo! About 15 more seconds. Keep it nice and open. 1, 2, ready, and stop. Nice. Next, we've got the single 16s and then the skip unisons. So we're starting with single alternatings, and then we're going to jump right into the unison skips. Let's try it out. Turn off your triplet. 110 again. 1, 2, ready, and a go. About halfway through, we'll switch to the left hand lead. If you need to stop and restart, totally fine. Try to keep your hands evenly heights. Even heights. Evenly heights, whatever. 2, ready, switch. Try to keep that beat together, nice and smooth. How are your fingers feeling? Are they pinching really hard? Are they still relaxed? Into the unison skips. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, we got 60 seconds on these. Hold them back. Can you put a little more energy into your strokes? Don't be lazy. That's not the point. You're building these muscles. About halfway through. Nice and big, nice and tall. How's your body posture? Are you sitting on one leg? Are you standing tall? Are you marking time? About 10 more seconds. One, two, ready, and done. Nice. Metric modulations. These things are awesome. We're going to take one hand, work on eighth notes to triplets back and forth without stopping. You're going to go for 2 measures in each form. Eighth notes, 5, 6, 7, triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to eighths. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to keep looping this for a minute. Then we're going to switch it to the other hand. Here we go. Again at 110. 1, 2, ready, and triplets go. 1, 2, ready, switch. Eighth notes. Triplet. Try to keep your heights the same. A lot of people tend to really push the triplets down. Keep them up. Don't play like lazy. Keep them up. Ready, and eighths. Triplets. You got about 20 seconds. If your form is starting to disappear, it's okay. Keep pushing through. We're building these muscles. After the triplets, we switch. 1. My right hand is feeling like jello. Don't forget to breathe. And if you're holding tension in your upper body, get it out. We don't want to hold any tension up here. The muscles that are working, forearms, wrists, fingers. About 20 seconds. My left hand is struggling, guys. And that's okay. To the end. 1, 2, ready, and done. Woo! Metric mods alternating. This is going to do the same thing as our single metric mods, but instead of one hand doing the work, it's both hands doing the work, and they're going back and forth. So really, we've got 16ths into the 6 tuplets. And back and forth between them, 2 measures each. Then we have the blast. We're going to do 6 tuplets for a minute, all the way to the end. Really focus on keeping your hands under control. If they start to wibble wobble, you can't play those 6 tuplets, it's okay, go back to the 16ths. And then once you can get back into those 6 tuplets, go for it. Here we go, 110 BPM. 1 minute, metric mods alternating. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Woo! Really catch it. I'm building my stuff as much as you guys are, believe me. Man, you thought 110 was easy. If you can't keep it up, play at a smaller tempo. That's totally cool. Or a smaller dynamic. 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3. About 15 seconds. Last rep. Alright, 16ths. Keep it up. Blasting through. Blasting through. Woo! My left hand is giving out. Keep it up, keep it up. I'm sweating, y'all. 16ths, here for me. Woo! Get control of your muscles again. When you're ready, go back into the 6 tuplets. If you can't blast all the way through, believe me, I'm with you. Just go back to the metric mods. Push it. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, ready, and done. Oh, wow, guys. That feels awesome. If we finish that up, make sure you stretch. Our muscles have been working hard, and there's going to be lactic acid built up, and we need to make sure we get everything moving and fluid and stretched out. So areas that you should focus on, anywhere that you've been gripping, that you feel that tension, I want you to relax. Take your hands and stretch in a few different directions. And hold it there for a couple seconds before moving on to the next stretch. If you don't know any hand stretches, I'm going to make a hand stretches video that's going to help us out. And whenever we do workout stuff like this is a great video to do after your workout. If you've been playing for a while in the practice lot on your own, or if you've been doing a marching band rehearsal and you guys are getting a water break and you've got some extra time before you get back to your dot, stretches are a great way for your body to recover the energy that you've spent. and it relaxes everything and gets you ready to play again. Thank you so much, campers. I hope this was helpful for you. If this is something that you want to keep doing, let me know in the comments below. I want to know what your weaknesses are, what you wish we could work on together. Let me help you become a better percussionist. This is a great way to do it. Whether or not you're playing with snare drum or mallets or timpani, anything that we use our hands, we've got to build up those muscles. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, make sure you're getting all of these videos sent to you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. If you like what we're doing here at Virtual Percussion Camp, like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Tap out.
Do you want faster diddles? No. This is a 10-minute. I like that. I need a timer. Aim. Woohoo! Gotta take off that triplet. Hey, campers. Do something different. Okay. This is so weird talking to myself, and it's so quiet, and I know you can hear me.
Are you okay?
All right. Just go with it. Just go with it.